Cecht, a chéige. Lesson 50. Capital a chéige. And Dara di Chléine, the second declension. There's actually quite a bit in this chapter, a lot to study, but there's also a big list of words just to practice. So, the bottom line is that these are almost all feminine nouns. They are, a lot of them end in that og sound, and in the genitive case, they slenderize the ending and add an e. So then you get the ones that have the vowel shifts, but these are vowel shifts we've seen before. They give you the list. Ach becomes e, and ach becomes e, also just with the a before it. But it's just good to learn these in phrases. There's a lot of them, just common things. Solis Nagyali, the light of the moon. Exu Nagrania, sucking or soaking up the sun. That's sunbathing. So if you put them in context and learn them in sentences, it will help a lot. So make some sentences and get, some context to find things. The bottom of the first page, they say 5 nouns with special forms after a simple present preposition. What that really means is these are the only ones that use a dative case, and that's why they're a special form. So preposition puts them into the dative case, and they just have that slender ending. There's the whole long list on the following page, which you need to practice. You'll notice that most of them have weak plurals. In other words, they have 2 different forms, and that there are some that don't, though. There are some strong plurals, so that's not 100% consistent. But they do behave very similarly, and that's why they're put into this group. All right, so there's nothing perfect about this. It's all kind of modeled on Latin and what they used to do with Latin. So it's just a group of verbs that, a group of nouns, that behave similarly, and then just practice them, get them in context, and use them. The bottom of the page, there are 2 masculine nouns in the list, and these are common. On Sliv, the mountain, Bar Antleva, the top of the mountain, on Team, the butter, and on Imma, of butter. So notice the pronunciation there if you're Munster-ish. I am in a single syllable goes long, like a double vowel, a double consonant, A-N-N goes long, a single syllable. Then you think you're done, but there's another page, and they introduce a completely different topic, which really should be its own chapter. And this is the compound prepositions. There's pairs of words that are prepositions, and all of them, even the ones that are not in this list, all of them take the genitive case after. So in eka, nearby. So in ekalava, at hand. In ekalava. Askyan, above. Egunya, against. Imun, in charge of. Erfud and Dawin, all over the world. Teresh, or tresh, if you like. Erfa, all through, or during, or along. Kakyan, until the end of, until the duration is over of. So there's a lot of those, and these are the introduction to them, and they just are opportunities to use the genitive case. So practice all of these sentences. So there's a lot in chapter 50, but you can do it. Keep reviewing. Hope that helps.